Here is a short demonstration how to repair, how to glue nylon, which is very problematic, to aluminum here. For this I'm using for 30 years acrylic glue, super glue, Pascofix with Pasco Prime, and for reinforcement Pascofill. It's really something which is very good, and yeah, that's it. So let's go. First we need to prepare both sides where we will make glue. So we put this on both sides. Okay, and also on this side, and after that we need to wait approximately 1 till 2 minutes. Okay, in the meantime, while waiting, we'll tell some more details. This is actually, I think it's a sort of activator. When you're trying to reinforce or fulfill some parts, you put a drop of this glue, and then you spray this dust. I think it's sort of ceramic dust, and you can literally build the broken or missing part. Here is a short show. This part was loosened here, and here you can see I made it with this one and this, and after 6 hours you can brush, grind, cut this material. It's just simply hard as a rock. So now it's 2 minutes, it's passed. Now we will use super glue, and we will put it on one side. I will put it on here, on this side, and then just press it here and hold approximately 1 minute. This glue doesn't react on air, but it reacts on press. So when those two sides are pressed together, it reacts. Of course, as nylon it's really problematic, I will do a little reinforce with dust, so you can see how this looks. Okay, now I will remove it. We will wait a little bit more, and then for approximately 1 minute, then I will drop a little more glue around, and then I will spray it around this. So let's do it. a little glue. And from other side, drop, and here so, as you can see, now we need to clean this, put back, and after approximately 2-3 hours, this is hard as rock. That's it.